have another amazing sneak for all of you. This is Project Posable by Ijo.
Hi, people. I am writing a graphic novel about a princess knight fighting an ogre. And this is the sketch I'm starting working from. I know they look abstract, but I want to turn it into artwork. So first, I tried to use AI to generate an image of a princess knight sitting on the throne. They look good, but they have the different pose and camera angle that I envisioned. So this time, let's try something different. First, I'm going to load this girl into 3D space. And since I want our princess to sit, I'll move the chair behind her. And I can move her joints, but I myself is not a 3D artist, so it's a little bit hard for me to manually put her on the sofa. So look at this. I can click on the sofa, associate it to the girl, and then press space to let her automatically sit on the chair. Then I can adjust her pose by fixing the joints on the hand and move her torso, leaning a little bit to the left. Notice that the body always looks natural because our IK system respects physics and physiology.
Yep.
Then I'm gonna adjust the camera angle and click Generate. Let's see what we can get this time. Look at this. Now the pose and the camera angle is just what I envisioned. The 3D model gives AI the extra hints that it used in conjunction with my text prompts. And we call this technology Project Posable. Then let's do the fighting scene. Again, I'm putting the girl into the 3D scene, and instead of manually posing her, I'm going to search the image from Adobe stock, and I found this lovely image of a kid doing Kung Fu. I like this pose, and then what I'm going to do is load this image of Kung Fu into Project Posable. Yeah, look at this. The Kung Fu pose now transferred to our princess knight, and I can change the angle to get the scene that I want. And I'm going to write the text prompt and adjust her head a little bit, and click Generate. Wow. Look at this. This could have been so hard to achieve by just writing text prompts, right? Okay, last scene, I'm gonna work on the ogre monster. This is Brute from Adobe Mixamo. Mixamo is a library that provides free characters for people to use.
Woo!
And the pose I found for him is, this karate pose. I like it very much. And let's transfer the karate pose to our ogre monster. Again, I'm gonna adjust the pose a little bit and write the prompt. Wow. It looks terrific. How do you guys like it? By doing this, in just a couple of minutes, I was able to turn my concepts into gorgeous artwork. Let's see what I just created. Let's refresh the page to place what we just got into this storyboard and review the story. In the mid-century castle, there lives a princess knight. She sees the poster of an ogre he is wanted. So she decides to leave the castle, searches him in the forest, and suddenly she sees him standing on the mountain. And she is ready for an epic battle. As we all know, AI image generation is an incredibly powerful creativity tool. And with our project Posable, all poses are possible.
Thank you, Eve. What do you think? I mean, the one where the woman is getting posed in the chair, she looked really comfortable, just like I feel like we are in
Looked
this.
more comfortable than I currently am, yes.
Yeah. I was gonna, how are you doing? I mean, this is great.
Yeah, it's real wooden. I like that. I mean, I love like the German theme. This is because I was on the show Bumper in Berlin, right?
That is
Yeah.
what happened, yes.
And then Peacock canceled it. Where's the head of Peacock? But it's cool. I mean, incredible. I am developing my own Princess vs. the Ogre graphic novel. So my lawyers will be contacting you, but great work.
Looking forward to see your story.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, it doesn't look as good.
Thank you, Eve. All right, we're gonna move on. Very sassy, love it. So,
No, I like it. I gave a little jab, she gave me the right hook.
came right back at you.
Now she's coming back. I wasn't scared, Danielle.